And I know what you're saying. You're saying, well, what are you going to do with all the rest of this? Well, you'll see. Boom. It's vodka time. What we're going to do with the rest of this is we're going to make a pirate Bloody Mary. Right here, we've got our Margaritaville Key West Marathon, Florida mugs. Got our celery stalks. So I think we're in business. All right, let's make these up. Boom. Boom. Sure like some organic celery in my Bloody Marys. Let's go over here to the ice machine. Now the vodka. Gonna top that off. 1.5 shot. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that goodness right there makes a great Bloody Mary. Secret ingredient in the pirate Bloody Mary. Is that a Redbeard Bloody Mary? I'm going to use some water, but I'm going to use grapefruit seltzer water. I like a little fizz, just like that. Just like that. We're going to give that a stir. Let's see where we're at. Squirt of lime, and then we're going to top that off with our Red Dragon. Check on our fish and lobster. It's coming right along. To reduce the heat, let's enjoy our pirate cocktail. There it is. It's got a nice twist to it with the grapefruit water, the lime. Oh yeah. Nice. That's pirate approved right there. Okay, I'm going to chill, drink my Bloody Mary, and let this fish brine. Be back in the next set to make the balls.